Welcome back to the channel, Mad Brad's Customs. Got the tire on the back wheel, getting ready to air it up. Figured you might want to watch this. Here we go. Let's see what happens. I don't know if we'll get a big old pop or a big old boom, but we're going to try to air it up, as you can see. Now, my last video, I said, well, that don't work. It comes, a piece of junk comes apart. Look at that. Man, oh man. Let's see what happened here. One thread, two thread, three thread more. One thread, two thread, three thread more. Crazy, huh? All right, let's do this again. So, I was saying, if you watch the last video of me taking the tire off, I said something about $200 to unmount the tire and mount it back and balance it. Then I said, well, hell, I'll just do it myself. Well, you know what? I totally forgot about balancing beads. Get your rim, get your tire on, get your tire seated to the rim, let the air back out, and buy balancing beads. I have some here somewhere, and there's a ratio it gives you on how much poundage of beads to put in. That's what I'm going to do. And the beads rotate and balance themselves. That truck you might see in the background, every one of them tires have balancing beads because I didn't want no weights on them nice, dirty aluminum wheels. They were clean at the time. So that's 90 pounds in there already. That ought to be good. What y'all think? Let's check it all the way around with some soapy water. You know what I mean, soapy water? Here we go. This is water and Dawn. Nope, haven't popped over here yet. Still needs to pop. Still needs to pop up on the bead. I see it now. Let's take some poundage. Get ready for a bang. Uh-oh, I put more air to it. Thing was set on a different setting. It's only got 21 pounds in it. I have to hit it with the hammer. Make them pop. It ain't working. It ain't working. It ain't working. This whole other side needs to set too. Wow. Might have to do it a whole nother way because this ain't working. It's not getting enough pressure in there. Come on, Mike. Apparently got a bad leak on the other side. Can't get it past 15 pounds. Oh yeah, it's blowing out like crazy over here. But you know what I mean? Hit it. Hang on, coming at you. air. Not getting enough pressure through this. Oh, there we go. Hey, 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 hey. Did y'all hear the pop? Did y'all hear the pop? Oh, you hear the pop? Oh, yeah, she's seating now, buddy. Yeah. You know, it's just like most things. Doesn't work. Bait on it, right? Yeah, we get some poundage now. 52. I think it's seated everywhere. Oh, yeah, we're focused. Try to go inside. Uh-oh. Bubbles ain't good. Gotta hit it with a hammer. Coming out. Ain't good. Not good at all. It's pouring out. Wow. Well, we gotta do something else. Alright, I'm letting the air out.
Quit scratching your butt and hit the subscribe button. Hit it, hell. Now like everything.